Hello everyone. This might be the best luxury hotel stop if you are driving from Bengaluru to Goa or Hubli. Almost every travel app starting from MakeMyTrip, Goibibo, Agoda, every app recommends this as one of the best hotel. We found this hidden gem, Fortune Park ITC, Airport Road, Hubli, and the craziest part is it's just only 2 minutes away from the highway. And look at this location, this is right opposite to Hubli Airport. So zero city traffic stress during a road trip. So the moment we entered, it felt premium from every angle. Elegant interiors, luxury vibes, and a perfect break from a long drive. So we came to a surprise that we booked one of the biggest room available in this hotel, and this room is absolutely, it blew us away. It has a huge space, premium interiors, amazing comfort, and honestly this felt more like a luxury suite than a regular hotel room. Now wait till you see the food, because after a long road trip, good food can completely change your mood. In this video, I'll show you the room, food, complete hotel tour, and whether this hotel is actually worth the hype. Watch till the end and save this for your next Bengaluru to Goa road trip.